I want to share with you all this really lovely device called the Melodrip. It really adds a new dynamic to your pour over setup. It can really help with your over agitation if that happens to you a lot. Let's start brewing. We're going to add 25 grams of the Elefante Wet Process that we're introducing this week. So for our first pour, we're actually not going to use the Melodrip. But what I love about how our Elefante Wet Process brews with the Melodrip is the amount of citrus and tropical fruit and a little bit of florality that comes along with it, as opposed to the richer caramel chocolate that you get without it. After waiting about 30 to 45 seconds, I'm going to start with our first pours with the Melodrip. Now what I like about the Melodrip with the Stag dripper is how tight it fits, so you don't really have to move it around. Just do concentric circles. And we're going to be adding 100 grams of water at a time. Now the Melodrip does retain a little bit of water. So you want to stop a little bit shy where you're at and give a little shake to get the rest of it in there. Now you'll notice it only disturbs the surface of the water, and you'll start to notice how much clarity there is up top. You can see right through to the grounds. Right before all the water drains through, you're going to want to start your second pulse. If you can slow it down at this point, it'll be real good. You want the whole process to take about 3 minutes. When brewing with the Melodrip, we like to use a couple grams more coffee than usual, and you can also use a slightly finer grind. This will be our final pour to 350. Nice little shake. And just let it drip all the way through and enjoy.